If you want to export just a part of a video in CapCut, you're in the right place. In this video, I'll show you the quickest way to select only the section you want, export it cleanly, and avoid rendering the entire project when you only need one clip. This is super useful when you want to share a highlight, create a short reel, or save only a specific section of your edit. If this tutorial helps, please hit like and subscribe for more easy CapCut tips and software guides. Alright, let's jump in. First, open your project in CapCut and go to the timeline where your full edit is laid out. To begin selecting the exact portion you want, move the playhead to the precise frame where you want your exported video to start. Take your time here because the start point controls exactly where your final export will begin. Once the playhead is in the right spot, press I on your keyboard to set the in point. This tells CapCut, start exporting from here. You'll usually notice the selected area begins to stand out, making it easier to see what part of the timeline is now marked for export. Next, move the playhead along the timeline to the exact frame where you want your video to end. Again, try to place it as accurately as possible so your exported clip starts and finishes exactly where you want it to. After that, press O on your keyboard to set the out point. This marks the ending boundary of your export range. At this point, you should see the portion between your in and out markers become bright or highlighted, while the rest of the timeline dims. That visual change is really important because it confirms that CapCut has correctly selected only the section you want. Now that your range is set, look to the top right corner of the screen and click the Export button. This opens the export window, and one of the first things you'll notice is that the duration now reflects only the selected portion of your timeline, not the full project. That's how you know CapCut is ready to export just your chosen clip. Before exporting, double check your settings, choose the resolution you want, make sure the video name is correct, and confirm any other export options based on your needs. If you're posting to social media, you may want to keep the settings optimized for the platform you're using. Once everything looks good, click Export again to begin the render. CapCut will now export only the part of the video you selected, which saves time and keeps your workflow simple. This is one of the fastest ways to isolate a specific section without having to duplicate timelines or manually cut extra clips just for export. And that's it. You've now learned how to export a part of a video in CapCut using in and out points. If this helped you, please give the video a like, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss more CapCut tutorials just like this one. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.